How can you spot counterfeit electronic replacement components? Imagine opening a new electronic device or repairing a circuit and wondering if the parts inside are genuine. Fake components can cause failures, safety issues, or even damage your equipment. Knowing how to spot counterfeit electronic replacement parts is essential for anyone working with electronics. It's not just about looks. It's about understanding what makes a part authentic and what signs indicate a fake. Start with the packaging. Genuine parts usually come in high-quality packaging with clear, consistent labels. Look for spelling mistakes, blurry logos, or mismatched fonts. Counterfeiters often use cheap labels that peel or have smudged printing. Check the logo placement and size carefully. If the label looks off or poorly printed, it's a red flag. Also, examine the packaging for tampering, such as resealed boxes or missing security seals. Next, inspect the component itself. Authentic parts have precise markings that are crisp and evenly spaced. Use a magnifying glass or an optical microscope if needed. Look for scratches, uneven surfaces, or signs of rework. Counterfeit parts might have sanding marks or blacktopping, a process that covers defects with a black coating. Compare the physical size, shape, and lead configuration against the datasheet or a known genuine sample. Small differences in dimensions can be a sign of a fake. Perform a simple test by lightly scraping the markings on the component. Genuine markings are usually permanent, while counterfeit markings may rub off easily. This test can reveal if the label was just glued on or if it's part of the actual component. Use X-ray inspection if possible. This method allows you to see inside the component without damaging it. Authentic chips have internal structures like die and bonding wires that match the manufacturer's design. Counterfeit parts often have missing or damaged internal features, or they reuse older packages. Comparing X-ray images to verified authentic parts makes it easier to spot discrepancies. Material analysis with X-ray fluorescence spectroscopy can also help. It checks if the materials inside meet industry standards. Fake components might contain banned substances or different metals that don't match the specifications. Electrical testing is another step. Basic tests with a multimeter can verify continuity or resistance. More advanced testing can check if the component performs as expected. Keep in mind, counterfeit parts can sometimes pass initial tests but fail early in real use. For high-value or critical components, decapsulation and chemical analysis can confirm authenticity. Removing the package exposes the die, which can then be examined under a microscope or tested chemically. This process is destructive and used only when absolutely necessary. Incorporating these inspection methods before installing parts saves you from costly failures later. Detecting counterfeit components helps prevent latent damage and ensures your electronic systems stay reliable. Understanding these signs and techniques is key to maintaining product quality and safety.